If you're filing your taxes in 2025 and wondering how to add dependents in TurboTax to maximize your return and credits, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through the exact process so you don't miss a single detail. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and head over to the official TurboTax website. Once you're there, click on Sign In and enter your login credentials. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one before continuing. After logging in, you'll land on the TurboTax home screen. From here, look for the section labeled My Info. This is where all your personal details, including dependents, are managed. Now, to start the process, click on Add a Dependent. Here's a quick tip. Before you begin, make sure you have your dependent's information ready, such as their full name, date of birth, and social security number. Having these details on hand will save you time and prevent mistakes. Next, TurboTax will ask you to select the type of dependent. For example, if it's your child, you choose My Child. If it's someone else who qualifies, you can pick the option that fits best. TurboTax makes this part simple by giving you clear choices. Once you've selected the dependent type, you'll see a series of prompts. Just fill in the required details carefully. Things like their relationship to you, how long they've lived with you, and whether they have any income of their own. TurboTax uses this information to determine eligibility for valuable credits like the child tax credit or earned income tax credit. After entering everything, click Continue. TurboTax will save the information and your dependent will now be added to your return. You can repeat this process if you have more than one dependent. And that's it. By adding your dependents correctly, you're not only keeping your tax return accurate, but also making sure you qualify for the biggest refund possible. So there you have it, the full 2025 guide to adding dependents in TurboTax. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more TurboTax tips, and share this video with anyone who might need it. Filing your taxes can be stressful, but with the right steps, it doesn't have to be. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.